anyway, just to confirm, no. So no, today we have a yellow alert. So actually expected kay as we have validated our team conducted inspection no sa TBI. So we validated na naagyo daot ang ilang tuwa ka units. So it started actually they have realized that even during the commissioning na yung mga right now it's very glaring na kayo. So ang ihang vibration no murag ko na kayo. So the management of TBI decided na i-shut down sa ang duha ka unit. So affected ang atuang kwan kay mao mo na ang kwan no, sa Visayas labi ni diri sa Cebu. So TBI is one of the highest capacity no sa atuang power. And plus naapod ang PEDC sa Panay, so naapod ilahang usa ka unit na daot pod. So ato dito iyang we validated also together with ERC. So we were able to see na ang iyang shop rotor pod ang nadaot dito. So I think they have initially no gi shut down and then they have the assembled of this mga equipment and some of it actually padala na nila no as far as PEDC sa Panay send nila ang ilahang mga kwan for repair sa Valenzuela and then the TBI ay karon no sige pagkuan gyapon kay ang maapay mga parts spare parts coming from abroad, so they are actually doing their best. So they are tentatively scheduled na ma-restore hoping by August kay dugay-dugay pod no sa process sa iyahang pagkuha o palit aning mga spare parts. So definitely kay mahirap pod kay naapagyapon tag supply no from Luzon and Mindanao. So motabang sa tuwa kay as far as Visayas is concerned ang ato ang good forecast gamay gud ato ang supply. So we're hoping na wala pod madaot sa Luzon especially kay of course the past few weeks naapod gyapon no and of course was reported as far as the 500 kV line is concerned. So ni daot, so that's why affected ang Visayas. So mao na yung status na to ron.